What if your next cybersecurity interview didn't start with, "What certifications do you have?" but instead, "Show me what you've actually done." That's exactly why we created the InfoSec4TC Projects Hub, a hands-on cybersecurity platform designed to turn what you know into real, practical experience you can prove. Inside, you get access to 4 career-focused project platforms covering GRC Analyst, AI Security Specialist, ESOC Analyst, and Cybersecurity Specialist. You won't just watch someone else do the work, you do it yourself. Work through real-world cybersecurity scenarios. Use professional tools like Wazuh CM and XDR, Eramba GRC, and Wireshark. Build experience across major security frameworks including ISO 27001, NIST, HIPAA, PCI DSS, SOC2, and more. Complete 184-plus hands-on projects across 20 structured milestones, submit your work, and receive expert review and professional feedback. And when you complete the tracks, earn 4 completion certificates that you can showcase on your CV and LinkedIn profile. But the Projects Hub isn't only for cybersecurity learners. Companies, training providers, and cybersecurity professionals can also build their own projects, transform their expertise into practical learning experiences, and create an opportunity to generate additional revenue from their knowledge. And right now, you can get access for just $49 instead of $199. Simply register and use promo code FlashSale49. This is your opportunity to stop just learning cybersecurity and start doing cybersecurity. Build the projects, use the tools, develop the experience, and prove what you can do. Join the InfoSec4TC Projects Hub today.